Lot F99 is a 1979 Ford Bronco with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it bid to $30,000 but did not sell on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 26,808 miles. And the highlights are 400 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, factory air conditioning, recent paint and custom interior, new trim including grille straightened and polished, freewheeling stripes package, polished wheels, BF Goodrich tires, bucket seats with center console, and wheel arch moldings. And this one was a good looker. The freewheeling stripes really are popular right now. And I'm surprised this one didn't sell. That was probably the money on it, $30,000, but unfortunately the seller wanted more than that, so he ended up taking her back home. That's how it goes sometimes. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.